Hello friends, welcome to back my TechDude8481 channel, YouTube channel. Please subscribe, please like, please share. Stay tuned of this Power BI tutorial is begin. Now how to update your Power BI already installed, I will show you. Then click this Power BI button. The Power BI release every month is updated. Is given updated. It is a new version. You can click this first file and go to the option and setting. The option and setting open up the select option. The another pop-up window open. Then so many features are there. We come preview features and select if you require how much. You select all features. You required what features are required, you can select also, can select all also, then click OK. You have enabled one or more use features starting your Microsoft. After that you observe the screen and restart Power BI again. You observe this. The changes coming on the screen, you observe this place. You observe clearly this changes after this coming, the one or two features are added. Now again you can observe this, add transfer data features, click transfer and go to file menu, then open option setting again. Click options and again you select the preview features, then select this all and click OK. You observe this transfer folder. What ribbon is what are the features added, you observe clearly this identify. Now I will restart and again, and I will open this Power BI again. The feature added, one or two features are more added. I'll go to the transfer data. You observe this. The features are, some features are added. You observe this clearly. After restart the system and selected the options of features and preview, then again you open your Power BI desktop version. What are the difference, any differences coming in the menu bar, and you observe this, any tabs are added. This is like, you observe this, the calculation sensitivity shade is added. You observe this, you highlighted this one also, you highlighted the other one also. Updated your, this is the easy method to update your Power BI. The Power BI is given to every month updates. Every month you can do it, this process again and again. That is the feature of this Power BI. Thanking you once again, your TechDude. Please subscribe, please share, please like. Stay tuned up. Don't miss it in Power BI tutorial start. Please subscribe my TechDude channel. Please like my TechDude channel. Thanking you once again, your TechDude.